Hi, Wandile here from AgBiz. I'm proud to say we are having our 2026 Congress in Gqeberha in the Eastern Cape under the theme of embracing collaborations. And in these gatherings, we get to have a sit down and reflect on a number of themes that influence and shape the future of this sector. But these are also the events where stakeholders get to network in a much more relaxed environment and explore various conversations and build relationships.
It's not only about a congress, it's also a big networking event for industry leaders, for thought leaders to be part of this congress and speak about the challenges that we have in agriculture. But not only the challenges, but actually the solutions to those challenges. We know since the previous congress, there's a lot of changes in agriculture and problems that we had, biosecurity, logistics and everything else. So if we can have solutions to those problems or those challenges, I think this is the sector that we can grow our economy, but also the general economy in South Africa as well. One of the highlights of the Congress is not only the Congress itself, but it's actually the growing of future leaders in South Africa, in the agricultural economy. So the student competition is very close to FNB's heart as well, because that's the competition and the place where we grow future talent for the industry, those future leaders that we so need in agriculture and in South Africa.